Merapur and Merional, indicated dosage. For the application of the medication, you will need 3 milliliter syringe, green needle, insulin needle, Merapur and Merional ampules, cotton, alcohol, diluent included in the Merapur and Merional. Before starting the preparation of the medications, perform a hand wash with soap and water. Prepare the number of ampules of Merapur and Merional to be used. For this, remove the plastic cover from each ampule. Remove the 3 milliliter syringe from the plastic packaging and make sure that the needle is well positioned. If it is not, secure it by turning the needle clockwise until it is well positioned, or it cannot be turned anymore. Take the vial of diluent and make circular movements, making sure that all the content goes down. Carefully open the vial, identify the point marked on the vial. At this point, place your thumb on it and it will exert pressure to open it. With the 3 milliliter syringe, aspirate the diluent, making sure to aspirate the totality of the liquid and to remove the air. Insert the needle into the Merapur and Merional ampule to empty the diluent. Without removing the syringe from the ampule, place the ampule in the palm of your hand and gently roll it along the palm of your hand until there is no powder residue. It should be possible to visualize the clear liquid. It is important not to shake the ampule as bubbles may form. Identify a window at the top of the ampule. Place the tip of the needle in the rubber window to aspirate the diluted drug, making sure to aspirate the entire contents. If you need to prepare more than one ampule, repeat the process with the liquid obtained. Remember that each ampule of diluent can be used for up to 5 ampules of Merapur and Merional. In case you need 6 or more, it will be necessary to use another diluent. To prepare for the application, replace the needle with an insulin needle and open the package without removing the needle. Cap the needle of the syringe, aspirate a little, and remove the needle, turning counterclockwise, taking care not to press the plunger at any time. Take the insulin needle out of its plastic cover and place it in the correct region, turning clockwise until it is well positioned. Identify the area of application, which will be the abdominal region. Take as a reference the navel with 2 fingers around it. This is where to apply the medicine. Start on the right side, the following day 1 or 2 centimeters to the side, and so on until reaching the left side. This is in order not to puncture the same area and hurt the skin. Once identifying where to apply the medication, clean the area with cotton and alcohol. With the thumb and index finger, make a fold in the skin where the asepsis previously performed. Introduce the syringe with the tip of the needle upwards at an angle of 45 degrees. Release the fold and inject the medication. When finished, wait 5 seconds and remove the needle, placing a cotton ball in the area of the application. To finish, it is very important to dispose of what we have used in the correct way. The cotton, the plastic packaging, the empty medicine bottles, and the syringe without the needle can go to the inorganic garbage that we commonly use at home. The needle, without the cap, should be deposited in a glass bottle that has been previously prepared for all the needles that will be used. This is so that at the end of the treatment, this bottle is identified with the name of sharps, and when delivered to the personnel that collects the garbage, they know what treatment to give this waste.